in the place, in your face. And I am back at you again with another delicious recipe, baby. Today we are doing Salisbury steak, hamburger steak, and gravy. Either one, it's the same thing, but it's gonna be delicious, baby. So waste no time, let's get to it. Salisbury steak, hamburger steak, and gravy, your choice. It's right here. So let's go ahead and put some flavor to this meat. Get everything in there. We're gonna put us 1 packet of Lipton beefy onion recipe secret. Let's get this whole packet now. Mix this a little bit. There we go. Just make sure everything gets mixed in and everything is doing what everything's supposed to be doing. So now we're gonna add us some Worcestershire sauce in there. Quick little mix. Garlic powder in there. Some onion powder in there. Some black pepper. Lawry seasoning salt, baby. Get that all in there. And we're gonna get this mixed up as well. And then all we gotta do is form our patties and start cooking them down. And once they get cooked down, we're gonna whip up some of that delicious gravy. Gonna let our patties simmer in that gravy. And that's gonna be it. That's gonna be all. And you're gonna have some delicious Salisbury steak, hamburger steak, whichever one you wanna call it, y'all. All right, so we got that mixed pretty good. Got us a plate, put our patties on. And if you have a burger press, you can use that if you want. I have one, I'm just not for to use it right now. So we're just gonna make us some patties and try to get them all the same size. 5 nice size Salisbury steak. I'm gonna break that one down a little bit. It was kind of fat. There we go. So of course we all know how to smash our patties. No need to show you that. But here you go anyway. Just like that. All right, as you can see, here's our patties. I went just a little bit smaller. I didn't want to be cooking these things all day. So let's get them cooked up. Drop us some olive oil in our pan. We're gonna let this heat up real quick. All right, so our oil is hot. Let's get our delicious patties in there. Give it a light smash. Make sure it's touching. We want to get us a good sear. Get us a good crust on these patties. And we're cooking this over medium to medium high heat, family. I'm cooking for about 2 to 3 minutes on one side. Flip it over. Cook it another 2 to 3 minutes. And we should be ready. All right, like 2 to 3 minutes. Been up, maybe a little more like 3 or 4. Give us a flip. Look at that crust on there. Give it a light smash. Get the other one flip. Same thing. Ooh, there we go. And last one, baby. Oh yeah. So we got our first set of patties done. Get them out and put them on a rack. Let them drain, let them rest. And we're gonna throw these last 2 in there. Same thing. Rinse and repeat. So it's the same thing for these as we did for the last 4. So our last 2 patties, they done. Go get them out of here. Go ahead, same pot. Add you another tablespoon of olive oil. Flour in there. Get that flour in there. We're gonna mix it up till it starts to clump up. Go ahead and add our cold beef broth. Stir it as we dropping it in there. There we go. Get it all mixed in. We're gonna start to get the lumps out. Then we're gonna add us some more hot water. So you're gonna start cold and then start hot. And we can go ahead and turn down our heat. So let's just get this gravy and beef broth mixed up real quick. And throw us some water in here. And we're gonna start to smooth it out, baby. All right, so now let's hit it with our hot water. And we're just gonna thin everything out. Just keep adding your water until it thins out. Or if you're using beef broth, keep adding it till it thins out. And it's gonna thicken as it goes. Once the flour starts to break down, it's gonna thicken as it goes. So let's get everything broke down. All right, as you can see, we got our gravy. It's ready for the seasoning, baby. Get it up, get it to the taste we need it to be. All right, I got my trusty salt and pepper mix. So I'm just gonna season it until I get the taste I'm looking for. Get the taste off of that. Okay, a little bit more. There we go. Look how rich that is. Look how rich that is. There it is. That's our gravy. And all we gotta do now is place our patties in our seasoned gravy. All right, let's get our patty in there. Just drop them in there, baby. And then you can pop a lid on it. And you can just let it simmer for about another 10 or 15 minutes. You can serve it with some rice. You can serve it with some mashed potatoes. I made some mashed potatoes, so that's what I'm gonna eat mine with. And there it is. Hamburger steaks, Salisbury steaks, same thing. But it's still delicious, baby. All right, family. And there it is. Our hamburger steak, Salisbury steak, whichever one you want to call it. Same thing. Look at that. Oh, full of flavor. Got that flavorful gravy. Got that flavorful beef patties in there. And we got a meal. We got us a delicious meal that everybody gonna love. Look at that gravy. Ooh, look at that gravy. Yeah. Cool. There it is. Let's get it plated up and taste it. All right, family, that is it. That is all. We just made us some delicious Salisbury steak, y'all. Check it out. Oh, check it out. Salisbury steak. Hamburger steak. Either or, it's still great, baby. Yeah. Let's taste it. Let's get it. Oh, there it is. There it is. Get some taters on there. Get it mixed up. And they also go good with green peas. For all my green pea lovers out there. Here we go. That's what I'm talking about. One of my all-time favorites. Salisbury steak. Hamburger steak. Whichever one you choose. Still delicious, baby. All right, check it out. If you like this video, if you found value in this video, hit the like button. If it's your first time, second time, third time, fourth time, maybe even fifth time, hit that subscribe button. Quit playing with yourself. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you know what we doing, when we doing it. Because this is what we doing, baby. This is what we doing. That boy can cook, out the place, out your face. Till the next time, I'm gone, baby. Yeah.